The VA has now made available the ability to download and view VA claims decision letters online. To find that information, we're going to start on the homepage of VA.gov. Make sure that you have logged in. When you log in, look at VA Benefits and Healthcare menu option. Once you've dropped that menu down, look at Disability and click on that to expand the menu. Then we're going to click on under Manage Your Benefits, check your claim or appeal status. Once you're on the Check Your Claim Decision Review or Appeal Status page, scroll down, and what you need to look for are any of these decisions that have a status of closed. Those will be the eligible claims that you can view decision letters online. In order to look for those, click on View Details. Now that the status tab is showing, you'll see underneath here we have decided your claim on a particular date, and you'll have a link, Get Your Claim Letters. So you click on that link, and you'll notice that there is a long list of decision or notification letters. These are actually letters applicable to all of your closed claims, and they are sorted in chronological descending order. In order to download it, you just simply click on the link to download, and you will be able to save one of these files as a PDF onto your local computer. And that is how you access and download your VA claim letter online. Hope that helps. Have a blessed day.